Yeehaw! It's your favorite farmer. Bah. Farm. Animals. I see sheep. Bah. S H E E P. Sheep. Check out this interesting fact about sheep. Sheep have rectangular pupils. This just means that sheep can see almost everything around them, except for things that are directly behind them. Boo! And just like your favorite farmer, sheep do not have any top front teeth. But that's okay. Sheep have a hard upper palate that the lower teeth press against to break down their food. And just like us humans, sheep are highly social animals, and they call a group of sheep a flock. Not only do they remain in a flock to protect themselves from predators, sheep form strong bonds, especially between the mother and the lamb. And did you know that there's over 1,000 breed of sheep? That's a lot of sheep. Yeehaw! That's all, folks. Meh. Meh.